Okay, today is Tuesday. It is the what is that? Um, it is the what is that? Is that a third day? Is today the third day? Is today the third day? Okay, started on Sunday, one. Today's Monday went over, so today is now Tuesday. So it's the second day of trading. Okay. Okay, now I am looking for a trade. All right, so I need to scope things out and see which one seems to be better. All right. So this one seems to be in a downward trend. Okay, so this one went up a little bit beyond here. Maybe it's suggesting that it's going to be stabilizing here instead of going down, because it attempted to go down, but it came back up. Okay, so that seems to be the play. So it seems to be hovering around here with a stability at this level, it looks like. Now for gold, gold is now stabilizing at this number right here. So anytime it dips around here, it looks like it has a tendency to come back. So that means that it might be hovering around this price range. Okay, that's what it looks like. It looks like it's going to be hovering around in this price range. It looks like it's going to be hovering around this price range. So when it gets to a certain level, that I can look to enter the trade. So UJ is bullish right here. UJ is bullish right here from here to here. Okay, it's bullish, and it's actually at the top of this range. So what I should be looking to do is wait to see how it reacts. Because it's in an upward trajectory, if it dips, it's a good idea to buy. Okay, so that's something that I can trade. So it's here, and it's here, and it's here, and it's here. Okay, so I'm looking for something to drop, I think. I think that's what I'm looking for. Now, UC seems to be recovering. This seems to be at a point where now it's moving up. Okay, it's moving up. It's moving up. It dipped a little bit, but it's looked like it's moving up. It may have recovered, but it's been recovering for it's been going down for a very long time. See, it's been dropping since February. It's been dropping since February, right? I'm not sure where the bottom is. Okay, so temporarily it looks like it has placed a hold. It seems to me. Okay, so that's how I can play it. Now, also, I'm looking at the NASDAQ 100 here. Let's see if I can trade it. Seems to be going up. Okay, it seems to be trending up. So my strategy should be to essentially look for a dip because it is trending up. It could possibly go up to here. Okay. Now it looks like the Dow just dropped significantly. That's about a 400 point drop. About a 500 point drop looked like. Dropped 500 points. Usually what happens is if something drops, it'll remain there. And Bitcoin is at that level. So if I look here, yeah, see this one is dipping. See, it is dipping. It is dropping. So it seems to be trending down, but if I were to, I could theoretically trade a little bit here, expecting it to go back up based on support here. But that seems to be on a downward trend. Now this one seems to be, UC seems to be picking up some steam here. Okay, so I suppose I should just start to scale in. maybe expecting it from this to here, okay? Expecting to take profit from here to here. I think that might be the right trade. So if I look here, so this is here to here, okay? Here to here. All right. So which one should I take? Which one looks like wow. So which one looks like it might be a good trade to take? Boy, today I had when I went to wash dishes today, I was 15 minutes late. Um, and when I got there, I mean there was a pile of dishes. It looks like the morning shift dishwasher didn't show. It looks like there wasn't a dishwasher in the morning. So all the dishes piled up, and so I was essentially doing two shifts dishes. So I spent an enormous amount of energy getting it all taken care of. Ah, okay, so this is 1 minute, and it's not moving much. But it's already 1 o'clock. It should be moving, but it's not moving much. It's not volatile at all. See, the trading range is small. It's very, very small. So I don't want to be going long on that one. See, the trading range is small. Okay. All right. So there's really, I suppose what I can do is look for a trade to occur, but it's got to be, huh. So I'm looking, so it broke structure right there. Looks like it was down, and then now it's moving sideways. So it was tending lower. So I'm not sure. Boy, am I tired. I don't know if I'm going to be able to trade well today. So I'm looking at that. I really shouldn't be entering this trade right now unless I see something worthwhile. I can stage it, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be trading much today. So I'm gonna see if I can like catch some of them. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch a few trades. So that's Bitcoin. So the spread on this guy is a lot less than Bitcoin and the Dow, so it's favorable to trade it. But I gotta know which direction it is. So, I'm scoping out the direction here. So I was right about that here. So my conclusion was right. It is trading in a range here, toggling back and forth after it came back down, right? Now that's gold, it's there. Okay, so here we go. So I'm looking for a trade, but I haven't found a strong trade yet. See, this is the reason why. This is an area of resistance, so it's going to pop back down here. If it drops down here, I can afford to maybe buy it here. That's my conclusion. That's my assumption, which means that that's going up. Yep, because they're inversely correlated, EU and UC. All right. So this is the upper range, so I can't be buying here. I might be looking to short, but I can't be buying along. But it's wedging up, so we'll see. I have no idea whether it's going to reach to here. If it reaches there, if it reaches here, maybe I can buy there, and then maybe buy 10 here. And if it gets to here, maybe 15. Okay, so that's the strategy I'm using. So if the price reaches at a certain point, so that's UC. I mean, if I were to get in here, I'm looking to make maybe here, downward side from here to here. From here to here, down is all the way to here. See, that's going up. So UJ seems to be very bullish. So I gotta figure out how to trade this. It's being bullish. So let's see. Let's dabble in it. See how much I. Hopefully I'll make a few, but you never know what's gonna happen. All right. So this is my phase 2 challenge. Phase 2 of the challenge. We'll see how it works out. Okay, so far I made one trade that failed. Now I'm in here. I'm thinking it's gonna be a resistance area here. Although it broke trend, but I'm thinking it's still resistance. Obviously, I could be wrong. Or maybe it wants to recover all the way up there. See, that usually indicates to me, if it holds, that it's going to go up. That's what it's saying. That means that the UC should be dropping, and UJ should be dropping as well. See right there. If it holds this level, if it holds that level, if it holds this level, it seems to me that it's going to go back up to here. That's the logic behind that. Okay, so what did I lose here? I lost 11 cents on that previous trade. I'm trying to test things out to figure out how I should approach it. Right now, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how to trade this yet. Ooh, look at this go up. See? So that definitely means that this guy's going down. See? Right there. It's liable to hit this right here. That thing is liable to hit that. Okay. Um, but it seems to me that there is a downward trend that's been established. So we'll get a look at that. Okay. Might be UC that I should be training. Okay, so that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. It's 1 hour into the European session, so we'll see. Alrighty.